By road, taxi from Klingpang bus stand to Durpin Monastery can be taken to reach the monastery. Distance from the Klingpang bus stand to Durpin Monastery 4.8 km. Traveling time 16 minutes approximate. Once you enter inside, you will see two big cylinders on either side, each about 10 feet in height. These cylinders will make a bell ring at every turn. Durbin Monastery in Klingpa is a Tibetan Buddhist monastery situated atop Durbin Dara hill. It is also one of the largest monasteries in Klingpang and among the well-known Buddhist monasteries in West Bengal, constructed by Dojom Rinpoche in the year 1972. This place in Klingpang has huge religious significance, which make it an important for the followers of Buddhist community. Klingpang can get freezing during winter, so do carry warm clothes. Be open-minded and learn new things about Buddhist culture. See the wall paintings and a rare three-dimensional mandala inside. Take right on top of the second floor that has an open terrace. From here, one can witness the breathtaking views of Klingpang town with a backdrop of Kanchenjunga Peak, tea gardens, Pishok Road, and also views of rivers in Darjeeling, Tista, and Ryong rivers. Durpin Monastery timing 9 am to 5 pm. A row of brass hanging prayer bells in Durbin Monastery second floor. Durbin Monastery can be visited throughout the year. However, the months from March to May or September to November are the best time to visit Durbin Monastery because these months bring the most amazing views and pleasant weather.